Many of you have been asking me for an update video on the YouTube studio. Why don't we take a look?
Hey guys, some of you have been asking me lately, Stormy, can we see an update of your studio or your office? And it's been a long time, maybe 8 months to a year since I filmed the last video, so things have changed since then. We're going to take a look right now, so follow me. Hopefully there's no neighbor like last time. Some of you didn't see that video. I was filming this and I was standing in my office and my neighbor's girlfriend happened to be outside and I just like froze. Pretty funny. Anyway, let's take a look. Welcome into my office. Bear with me. I'm trying to do this backwards. Let me close this so that way my cat doesn't come in here. So this is it, guys. This is my YouTube studio, if that's what you want to call it. Everything is operated by Alexa, and it's pretty cool. I mean, I'm happy. I spend a lot of time in here, so I want this room to really kind of, I don't know, like just be a room that I would want to hang out in. So as you can see, I've got these machines here. These I'm actually going to have to probably, let me do it like this for now. These video game arcade 1-up machines. I had to modify this one because I wanted a lot of games. And so, you know, my space is limited in here, as you can see. So I ended up getting a kit for this machine here, which put like 10,000 games on it. In fact, here, why don't we see if we could fire it up. I don't know if Alexa's going to hear me with the helmet, but Alexa, turn on arcade. All right. The other one outside was hearing it. So these are going to fire up now. And you might not be able to see it so well with the glare. So that one's up. This one's loading. As you can see there, I think you can see it. Let me actually close this. You might be able to see a little bit better now. So yeah, this has got 4 games on there. You know, Final Fight, I loved that game growing up. This one has got Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3. I adjusted the controllers because I wanted them to be a little bit more accurate with a tighter spring. But plus I don't remember any of the moves, so I ended up putting this thing up there that has all the different fighters' moves and fatalities and whatnot. And this thing here, so what I was talking about with this, sorry again with the crappy camera. Actually, let me see if I could just, can I flip it while I'm in the middle of filming? It doesn't appear that I can. So I'm gonna, let's go like this. Yeah, screw it. You guys are probably gonna vomit after this video. I'm just gonna hold it like this. This was like a $400 kit. This originally was a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cabinet, but I ended up spending like $400 on this kit that I changed the guts out, and it ends up having like 6,000 or 10,000 games, something like that. But basically anything from like arcade classics to like Nintendo, Sega, you name it, it's got it on there. It's actually pretty cool. If I can just go to my favorites, and then you can hear it's kind of loud. Everything's controlled by an amp right up there. But I could, like, let's see what's on here. We could do like Double Dragon. I don't know if you guys played Double Dragon back in the day, but it's pretty cool. Let's try to get a little, yeah, the glare, I apologize, but just trust me, it's got a lot of games on there. All right, enough of that. Okay, but I can also change the lighting behind there. There's like some, let's see. But there's lighting down there that can be changed with those. So I put the green on the Ninja Turtles, like a purple on that one, red for Mortal Kombat. My posters, like you guys have seen in my live streams, got some of my posters there. And then these door lights, just I could change those out too, just by voice command. Let's see if it works. Alexa, change door lights to green. All right. And then over here, we got the desk lights down there. We could do the same thing. Alexa, change desk lights blue. All right, very cool. All right, so over here, these are my challenge coins. All right, so we got my challenge coins up here. All right. Just the different challenge coins from being the 501st Legion. And then some of the challenge coins that I got from some members within the community. These are from Stormtrooper, that's from Lady Bullion. Then you got my challenge coins there, more to come, so stay tuned. Gotta love the Warriors. All right, gotta love the Warriors. Right there is where and so like over here, this is where I do all of my live streams. So I've got the one webcam here. Usually you guys always see the helmet placed down there, but I usually always have the webcam here overlooking the, from top down, the pouches for the prizes. And then this is obviously where I sit. Let me move this to the side. And then we've got the Yeti mic here. This is usually like dead center, like right there. And then over here is the webcam that I use that's always focused on the coin within the photo box, and I turn on that light box, and that's usually what you guys see in like the little turntable in there. And then I've got my 3 monitors, which I need always for the live streams. I usually have the live stream live studio on that screen, and then usually I'll have like the chat right there, and then the spin wheel and my inventory and everything that I'm keeping track of the on the auctions usually are on that monitor. And then on this monitor computer screen, I'm running the Streamlabs OBS. And then this is just my cheat sheet of commands or hotkeys for when I'm doing the live streams. You guys have seen me do those where I have, you know, all the different memes and the video clips and what have you. And then there's the Amazon Echo right there. And then I just have the safe. I have a mic stand over there. I don't really use that anymore. I used to. What I used to do is on this wall, I used to have that green screen, and I would film a lot of my videos there. But as time went on, I felt like I didn't really need the green screen anymore. I wanted these things instead. Let me quiet this down. Quiet Kano. So I used to, you know, have the green screen there. I would stand against that, and I would have the mic stand like right over here. But now I don't really need that anymore. So I use either the tripod that I'm using right now that I'm filming, and I just usually film from, you know, that position. But yeah, guys, this is what I use. I did also used to have a mic stand for the or a boom stick, not boom stick, whatever, a boom. I don't know what the heck it is, but anyway, I had a stand that the Yeti mic used to sit on, but it was actually in the way from when I was doing my live streams, and I needed to be able to go in between, you know, this position and that position. So it was in the way. So I just, as time goes by, you know, working within the space and figuring everything out, I've got it pretty much set up to how I want it. So yeah, guys. I mean, this is my studio. I'll back up, give you guys another kind of like a look at it. And if some of you have been asking me about the equipment that I use, everything can be found on my website, stackingstormtrooper.com. If you want to know where I got anything or the things I use for filming my videos, doing my live streams, everything is on there for you guys to use. So have at it. And anyway, guys, that's it for me.
And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel members. If you haven't already become a channel supporter, make sure you check out the perks and join today.
So that's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please check out those videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Long live the Empire.